what's up y'all? It's your girl aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. That cracks me up every time. I don't understand. But yeah, today I am going to be unboxing the Yeezy foam runners. I'm super excited in the vermilion color. So what's unique about this is that this is like the first time that Kanye has done this colorway, at least for Adidas, because back in the day he used to collab with Nike and he had the Red Octobers, which were super cool. I kind of feel like this is a FU to Nike for doing this, and it sucks for me because I literally signed up for multiple raffles. I signed up for Sneaker Politics, and I actually was wearing a pair of shoes that I got from them in one of my previous videos. I will link that in the info bar above. And I also did the raffle for Adidas through their app, because previously I've been able to purchase the Yeezy Desert Boots and then also the Yeezy 500s through the app. I did fail with the Yeezy 500s. I'll post that in the info bar as well. But I was able to get the Desert Boots through the website. So yeah, it's kind of upsetting that I wasn't able to get them through either of those websites, because to me, both of those are reputable websites. But I did have to get them through Trusty Dusty StockX. I swear I have a love-hate relationship with them because I hate resellers, but I also want to get the shoes. So it's like I gotta weigh the good with the bad. So yeah, I got the foam runners through StockX, so I'm super excited to show you guys how they look. And I'll also make sure to try them on feet so you guys can see how they look on me as well. So yeah, let's get into this box to see what I got. Now, I watched a couple of YouTube videos, and people were confused because, like, ooh, they're from China. Ooh, that scares me. Because that's where all the fake shit be. Ooh, I'm nervous, y'all. I'm scared. But, yeah, that's making me nervous. Hella nervous. Okay, well, yeah, so this, I remember on YouTube videos, they were super confused because there was like no writing on the box, but yeah, I mean, there's English on the bottom here, but this sticker is making me nervous. And like, people have done videos where like you can get stuff from like AliExpress and they'll send you like StockX stickers, and I've never seen this StockX sticker before. Y'all, I'm fucking nervous. Oh my gosh. But yeah, see, foam is on the inside. I think runner is on the inside of this box. But yeah, oh, this StockX looks different. Oh my gosh, this tag looks different. It looks like the logo for the app, but like this, I have not seen this before. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, and the thing was is that these were made in China. Like this specific colorway, they were made in China. But ooh, these look kind of big. I'm nervous. I am so nervous. But wow, they're so squishy. This is my first time ever like touching a foam runner. So yeah, I'm nervous but excited. So I got them in a size 8. There, yeah, see? Foam runner. It's a UK 8. What about a US? Y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so yeah, like with my with my Yeezy 500s, I really struggled. Oh, these will work. Okay, good. Ooh, I was nervous. With my Yeezy 500s, I ended up getting them in a 10 because the size guide is confusing per usual. And then I ended up having to get them on StockX in the correct size. And then with the desert boots, I got them in a different size from the 500s. And it did say that these run kind of big, but I was like, let me just stay on the safe side and get an 8. So that's what I got, but I'm obsessed. They're super squishy. I'm excited to try them on because I feel like they're gonna be super comfortable. But like, I'm obsessed because I definitely can't get the red Octobers because they are charging out the ass. They are taxing out the ass for those bad boys. Let me go ahead and try these on so you can see how they look on me. Don't make fun of me because I'm ashy and I'm hairy right now. Oh, these are like perfect. Wow. But this is how they look on. Like I said, don't make fun of my ashy ankles. My hairy ashy ankles. It's fall out here and I didn't put on my lotion. So don't judge me, okay? But yeah, this is how they look. They're really comfortable. I love them. They're like bougie Crocs. That's why I wanted them. They're super like futuristic looking and they're really comfortable. So I see why people wear these like all the time. But yeah, I'm really happy that they fit because I was really nervous about that because I didn't think that they were. But yeah, these are great. I'm obsessed. Good job, Yeezy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. If you guys own a pair of Yeezy foam runners, let me know which colorway you have in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I am on the road to 400 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to me, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.